Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something really neat here with me. I've got the Lautie dice in the house for a review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what's in the box. Pretty simple packaging here, just like some foamy insert. You have some quality certificate and a couple of stickers, and of course a couple of O-rings. I'm gonna show you why they are needed, and these can go into this check my EDC envelope right there. And what else do we have here? Basically we have our dice. This is the Zirconium dice with some pretty fantastic fit and finish, guys. So this is a zirconium dice with some stainless steel ball bearings incastonated. I don't know how to explain that, but these are press fit on the inside, I believe, because this is a solid chunk of zirc. And I don't know how they could have pulled this off. I don't know, put them from the inside. I have no idea on the machining process, but it's for sure extremely cool. So you've got basically this is the 6, and you have the other numbers like just regular, but there's no 6. Of course, the skull is going to be your 6, and you have the Lautie name there in 2099 right here. So very, very simple piece, but very ingeniously pulled out. If you check, there's like some kind of opening over here, and if you push the center ball of the number 3, you're gonna notice that this guy is just coming out, okay, like so. And here inside this this pivot kind of thing, you have the 2 O-rings, which are gonna be, of course, needed to keep this guy in place, and you have the actual zirc nomination with the serial number 955 in this case, which has to match the back of your box, so you know that this is an original product. And what is this hole for? It's because you can pass like a lanyard. In fact, you can see it's just like going through, and it's nicely done. And this is going to become like your pendant, you know, something like a necklace kind of thing. So you can have a necklace going through, and this is going to be your pendant. So it's very, very cool indeed, and this is going to be going like that. So very, very interesting little piece of machinery. Let's check the weight, because this is zirconium, and as you know, zirconium is pretty dense, and in this case it's 1.3 ounces, guys. So yeah, there's quite some weight to it. And if you want to know a little bit more about the size, for example, this is I would say 0.6 inches, and just to give you a better idea, this is the Lautie Sam, which you can see right here, and this is the TK slider, zirconium and cupronickel, very, very nice piece indeed. Ambori coin, this is the taken, sorry, like that, that's the taken. Look at this, boom. We are multiplying right over here, and this is another Lautie piece in collaboration with Muji. This is the chess pawn, and just another couple options for Fidget toys. This is the bulletproof shield, also like really, really interesting Fidget toy. And this is another Muji product which I truly, truly love. This is the capsule spinner, and also like this guy, Hearthstone version 2. So you have an idea of, you know, the kind of like small size of the dice from Lautie. So nice product, really, really cool. I had to get to play Tokyo with my wife, because this is just fantastic way to, and fancy way, of course, to play dice, because this is it's not a cheap piece, guys. It's gonna be around 100 and $120, $150, so it depends on the market if you can actually find it, because it's a limited run. It's not always available in the market, but I mean, it looks good. There's no sound that I can show you to this one, but I can tell you that this feels good in the hand. There's some nice heft to it, nicely rounded off the logo. I mean, the overall design is just fantastic in my opinion. And this guy comes in 3 finish. This is the matte one. There's like a polished Zirc and also like a stone washed one, and the price increases as the finish is requiring more time to get it done. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.